Alright, so we've got our theme. I reckon it's not too bad. I can talk about this logo. I know you like the other one, so let's go and change it. Go back to appearance and go down to theme options. This is pretty simple. You got a lot of options here. Obviously logo. This is where I had it, so I can get rid of that one. So always remember to save it. I've done that a few times and there's nothing there, so. Alright, so that's gone. Need a logo. Image logo, you can upload it here. Going to the Parramatta Eels one, eh? I've stuffed it again. Not being able to hit that button. But anyway, there you go. Go and save that one. See how we're going. Perfect. Geez, that looks wild. So, anyway, I'm sure you're pretty angry about that. So I'll get rid of that. To go down and save that. But you can put whatever you want in there. These margins and numbers, you can sort of play around them with them, but the default is here. It's just the size of how big it'll be. It could be big over here, so you can mess around with that. What else did I want to show you? Putting pictures in the slider, it's not as easy as I thought it would be. But anyway, down here, you can use sort of different, how would you call it? There's like a section, right? You can have this part here. You don't even have to have that if you don't want. So if you go to the home page, there's a lot of these on-off buttons, right? So you can have display service section on home page, our services. Pretty sure that's it. So turn it to off to save it. They're gone. So you can just have that if you want. I reckon that our services is not bad, but it's up to you. Put that back on. So you can change a lot of these different things. It's pretty cool. You can change, I'll show you how to change the actual content. Obviously it's only Spanish or some other language. So this is your About Us, which you had up here, About. Right, so that should be all in there. No, that's not it. Anyway, I'll show you how to change the tabs up here in a bit. But you can change, just go through and like have a little play around with all these different options because it's pretty good. You can change the layout to it. If you go back home. So you can change little things. Our services. So you can change whatever you want here. The best boomer in town. You go down and save that one. The best boomer in town. Obviously you've got other things here. Easy to use. You can change that if you want. So that's all in that part there, our services. It's pretty cool. So it's all just about, I mean, you can change that responsive design if you want. So it's all just about having a little play around with it. But it's all in this part here in the theme options. Change colors and and other things like that. So have a play with it, see if you can change it. Obviously you can change the image here again. So they've set it out pretty easily. Geez, that's sick. So just have a play with it. Let me know if anything's a little bit confusing, but you can change the sort of layout. You don't have to have this. You don't have to have your slider if you don't want. Featured sliders off. I think sliders are pretty good for what you're doing. Have a picture or so. But if you want, you can just have your services, right? So basically the home page is where you can change what you want. Obviously on the front page, so I like the slider. So I'll change that back just in case some wild person likes the eels. You probably get a lot of jobs if you put that on there. Put your that there. Save that. So anyway, I think that's looking pretty clean. Have a little play with it and let me know what you think. So, peace.